If you manage a Telegram group and want to let your admins invite new members using an invite link, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it on Telegram desktop. This is a really useful setting if you want to give trusted admins more control over growing your group without handing over full ownership. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account that owns or manages the group. From your left sidebar, click on the specific group chat where you want to change the permissions. This has to be the group you actually manage, because only group owners or admins with the right permissions can update admin settings. Once the group opens, look at the top right corner of the group window and click the three dots icon. This opens the main menu for the group. From the drop-down list, select Manage Group. This is where Telegram keeps all the important group settings, including permissions, members, and administrator controls. Now scroll down until you find the Administrators section. Click on Administrators to open the full admin management page. If the person you want to give this permission to is already an administrator, click on their name. If they are not yet an admin, you can click Add Administrator to promote a member first. Either way, you need to be editing an admin role in order to change what they can do inside the group. After selecting the admin, you'll see a list of rights and privileges. This is the part that controls exactly what that admin is allowed to manage. Look carefully through the options until you find Invite Users via Link. Turn that option on. This allows that admin to generate or use invite links to bring new members into the group. Once you've enabled the permission, click Save. Then close the admin settings window and click Save again if Telegram prompts you one more time. It's always a good idea to double check that the changes were applied properly before leaving the page, and that's it. Your group admin can now invite users via link on Telegram desktop. This is a simple but powerful way to delegate group growth while still keeping control over who can do what. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.